Hey, that's a soda pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the Malak channel, and today we have another episode of the Stickers series. This time I'm pretty excited to open these. I've been wanting to get something from this artist for a while. This artist is MAKO VICE, or MAKO VICE. Don't know too much about them. Don't know exactly how to pronounce the name either. They do have a great selection of stickers and other merch on their website, though. They tend to kind of do kind of a manga-esque style, a lot of sort of Japanese subjects, some kind of horror and grunge subjects. But I really admire their work, and I've been wanting to get something for a while off their site, and I finally did. I got a few stickers. I got this one. I got kind of a Evangelion unit. Kind of a samurai one. And I got some pill girls. They're great for your health, terrible for your education. I really like this one. I think it's a really awesome piece. Looks super cool. I'm thinking about getting a shirt with this on it at some point. This sticker, I actually messaged MAKO about, because these two were supposed to be 3x3 inch stickers, and this was going to be the 4-inch sticker. I mean, obviously, if one side is longer than the other, that's going to be the one that the measurement is based off of. And so I kind of knew that, you know, the width of this wasn't going to be 3 inches, but the height also, it was much smaller. So I felt like maybe there was like a printing kind of mix up, because you can just tell, like, yeah, it's smaller. But he or she or they were really cool. Said they were going to look into it and stuff. But yeah, quality is nice. Art is awesome as always. Everything turned out perfect, other than maybe this one being slightly smaller than it should be, but I'm pretty happy with how it went. I might put a link in the description, or, you know, just something so you can find MAKO or MAKO, and maybe even get some of their merch and check out their stuff. Thank you for watching this episode of my sticker series. Be sure to maybe check out my other videos, like and subscribe, maybe find me on Patreon so I can keep doing this. I could really use your support. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I hope to see you again. Take care.
You're such a